A bee is insignificant. But when thousands of steel swarms quietly gather in the sky, what kind of fighting power will they turn into? The set in front of me is composed of Swarm 2 marine vehicles, Accusation Vehicle Protection Vehicle, Atlas UAV Swarm Combat System. It is the implementation result of the cluster intelligence concept. What about the strike zone ahead? We set up 3 markings with similar appearance. The main task of Phone Kun today is to attack the charging vehicles among them. In this process, Atlas UAV Wind Swarm Combat System needs to complete coordinated reconnaissance, independent strike. What is the effect? Well, wait and see. Now we can see that the Fengchuan 2 marine vehicle has been deployed. The top launch cover has also been opened. Our drone wind group has independently identified the target of the command vehicle. Next, we have to conduct an autonomous strike mission. Take a look at the first-person view of our drone. See that our drone has successfully locked on the target and getting closer and closer to the goal. Let's see if we can hit it. The Fengchuan 2 marine vehicle adopts a core building mechanism that takes one shot every 3 seconds. Transit time difference. Let every drone maintain a safe flying space. Simultaneous Fengchuan UAV launch types and order. It can also be flexibly configured according to combat needs. To detect the enemy's situation first, set up a reconnaissance drone. To suppress the enemy first, set up interference drones. Shoot the attack drone again. Precision is the battle scenario for Northerners. The drones below are enforcing the control of an area. The drones in the middle are performing an area search and ring tracking tasks. The drone of the ring machine below. It's a reserve team for our drone zone when our drone is destroyed or when we need to adjust tasks. Our drones can go and perform a real-time fill-in. During task execution, nearly 100 high-speed flying drones to form a precise and dense formation in a short period of time. It also needs to independently avoid factors such as airflow interference. Avoid collisions between drones. The cluster control algorithm gives each drone a smart building. Allow them to communicate with each other and share information. Adjust relative position in real time. Achieve a uniform formation effect. A technician can be seen. You can easily control 96 drones to seal the group. To perform air combat missions. It's a bit like one person holding nearly 100 animals with one thread. Kite this. These equipments of different sizes are various models of Fengchuan drones. A 10-kilogram small wind group drone. The biggest feature is low cost. Ability to deploy clusters with full flexibility. This mid-size phone is made entirely of carbon fiber. The biggest advantage is that it is light. Air control lasts longer to carry out combat missions. After folding, the size of the entire fuselage will be greatly reduced. Both transportation and launching are super convenient. Can respond quickly in actual combat. Finally, this aircraft can carry more mission loads. With small and medium-sized drones, forming a cluster combat capability with complementary high and low matching functions. Drone wind group. First, there is no communication to interact with. The goal is to let drones and others understand the intentions of their companions, even if there is no signal at all. We also know how to complete tasks together. Secondly, there is no satellite and navigation. Development is not afraid of interference. Independent, highly intelligent navigation. Finally, large-scale full autonomy. Lots of different types of drones to team up with, even across domains, such as air and ground. Unmanned equipment on the water moves together. No need for human control. Completely realized, it's up to you. Wherever there is hair, there must be bluntness. When the invisible iron wings rescue Skynet, the anti-substantial edges are already in place side by side. The low, slow drone in the picture, covert infiltration in simulated battlefield. Its flight altitude is locked between 50 meters and 80 meters, exactly in the detection blind spot of traditional radar. Attack drone spotted at close range. 1 kilometer away, Lightsaber 121 intercepts at will. Drone type agreement report. Operator reports target locked. Adjust laser power to soft sand barrier mode. It's really a silent battlefield. I didn't hear any sound just now. Look everyone, although the fuselage of the drone is intact now, but currently we are in a state where it is flying around. It can also determine its sighting system has been accurately hit by the Lightsaber's 1.1 billion laser, completely blind. This device looks a bit like a container. It's the Lightsaber 1.1 billion multimode composite terminal jamming system. What about when we were just dealing with the incoming drone? It's like a responsive guard. Accurately lock on target within seconds. Attack the drone's sighting system. How powerful is the unmanned wind group? The test difficulty is escalating. Fiber optic drone. What's its biggest feature? It is to fly to the hand in real time through optical fiber. Transmit flight data and images. So why? It is difficult to be interfered by electronics. What to do with it? Often the only option is to shoot it down. Now on the stage is Lightsaber 21A. The response mode is to fight while walking, able to maintain fire suppression status. It also avoids being easily locked by the enemy because it is stationary. From blow. Model. Look inside. Lightsaber 21A is built with hard kill capabilities, achieves high power energy density several kilometers away, continuously acts on the drone body structure, penetrate the shell of the target drone in a short time, burn out internal circuits or power systems. In comparison, the Lightsaber is 1.1 billion. It's not a head-on damage mode. Instead, it relies on pulsed lasers to achieve precise formulation. Directly hitting the core components of the drone will cause blindness instantly, losing their ability to conduct reconnaissance data transmission and other operations. There's 2 combat modes, soft and hard, for different distances. Targets with different threat levels, just made up for the gap in their respective combat scopes. Us. Set up group of aircraft. Come and join in 2. Insert into a group of drones for tracking and shooting. So this also applies to the 2 types of equipment. Identification ability is put to the test. Time travel machine. For carrying offensive equipment. Threat level highest. Fiber optic drones are good at detecting information, if not intercepted in time, may lead to deployment by several parties being exposed. Set up a group of drones for carrying any offensive payloads and reconnaissance equipment, and the frequency and identity code are clearly for non-combat units, determined to be a non-dangerous target by the system. Based on analysis results, Lightsaber 21A strikes high-danger targets first according to the system settings. Reprocessing secondary objective algorithm. Immediately start laser irradiation independently. As a fighting partner, both Lightsaber 21A and Lightsaber 11E are equipped with phased array radar and infrared detection monitoring system. Can be interconnected through wired and wireless dual methods. Real-time information sharing. Accurately accomplish the goals set by identifying. Laser weapons as a new pre-made equipment. It uses multiple detection and intelligent identification. Automatic distribution of strike firepower. Defense speed and battlefield environment adaptability are both very strong. So in terms of systematic combat, our two types of equipment can achieve coordinated operations based on the combination of original and response requirements. It can also be used with early warning detection systems such as radar and photoelectric. Achieve quick linkage. Form a closed loop of discovery and destruction. It also ensures the safety of our essentials. The fragments struck by the lightsaber have not yet hit the ground. The algorithm above the waves has been awakened. A coastal defense revolution led by swarm intelligence breaks through the waves. Newspaper. Report to the commanding party. The unmanned route has been set up. Is it possible to sail? Please instruct. Ready to sail. Then. The L-30 unmanned boat patrol formation now forms a column. Departing from port, follow the route planned by the Zhuhai Public Security Water Command Center. Go to the mission area autonomously. We also took a traditional wellboat ride. Keep up. This type of L-30 patrol boat length 7.5 meters, top speed 35 knots, need to sail more than 300 nautical miles. Simple design. Not only can it reduce the resistance during navigation, run faster and more steadily on the water, can further reduce energy consumption, improve battery life. There are obstacles ahead. Unmanned boats maintain formation autonomous avoidance. The unmanned boat enters autonomous avoidance mode after receiving. Self-propelled formation of unmanned boats. In fact, it means multiple unmanned boats, while sailing at sea, can be based on the type of task, the status of the unmanned boat, and the surrounding situation and environment to dynamically adjust the formation structure, to collaborate to complete related navigation tasks. Each unmanned boat has the ability to perceive and think autonomously, ability to split large task scenes into multiple small scenes, break down the issues step by step until all is resolved. This kind of group wisdom brings the most intuitive effect. That's when a large formation sails. The command terminal only needs to issue instructions. The unmanned boat formation can quickly complete formation changes independently and determine the optimal route for each boat. Newspaper. Road Commander. The tourist boat formation has arrived in the high area. Please instruct. Optoelectronic systems and radars are constantly turning. This means it has entered pointing mode. Stopping the ship allows the unmanned boat to target the target area more accurately. Perform optical imaging and radar scanning. In process of grouping, the command system will quickly generate disposal plans through artificial intelligence. So what now? Two Koa Laker boats attack intruding boats from two directions. The route was blocked. Stop it quickly. Demonstrated powerful intelligence, adaptive formation capabilities. Speedboat ahead. We are the Zhuhai Public Security and Marine Police. We are the Zhuhai Public Security and Marine Police. You are on alert. Conventional small unmanned boats are small in size, dry string low. Radar reflection signal and infrared signature are smaller. Therefore, the advantage of stealth is obvious. This makes it difficult for traditional surface defense systems to target and intercept. The emergence of unmanned boats has just made up for this shortcoming. Small boats of similar size meet on a narrow road. The unmanned boat relies on advanced radar and photoelectric reconnaissance systems. Quickly find and lock targets. After receiving instructions, the unmanned boat group can also use the cluster control system. Automatic troop formation. Encircle and encircle the target. If necessary, it can also be hit by impact. Incapacitate the target. We are also at a level in the first echelon. Unmanned boats must move toward collaboration. We hope to mass-produce unmanned boats, drones and unmanned underwater vehicles, able to form corresponding networks. Where is our national maritime power? Then the network integration of such unmanned systems has been laid. Sweeping winds in the sky. Sharp light from the ground leaving the body. A group of boats breaks the waves in the angry sea. In the future battlefield of data and algorithm reconstruction, the unmanned power is rapidly gaining momentum. Live in peace and quiet. Ren Cheng.